Abarikujunanasibwa na project ya Uganda Support to Municipal Infrastructure Development USMID okorga omustongore cy'ebyamataka ebyesente enkura y'abantu n'ekyo rukora ahabikuguza no kugura ebintu bya government barambure enguuto ezirino zikorwa omurimo rwa Hoima.
Bachi yokubanza eine enguudo original zikaba ziri musanju ati zifokere munana wa munana yongera mpaka section akakali yabwire.
Project eji ne yokumaraho biliyoni 36 eriyo nekorwa company za China eya China Railway 18 hamwe ne ya Chinese International Communication Company.
Drainage ekusinga ekozerwe hoire so tusigaize bintu bitoitonka landscaping, tusigaize road marking, ikiamani munekingamba nikisagamba kusigaire kirikiyetara baitu nakyo cost ya ketali ya mani.
What you need to do is increase manpower. The works that are remaining are not that many, but you need to increase manpower. And we noted that they have a pending payment, and we were assured that they were paid.
Charles Otim hamwe na Hilda Mwesugwa bagamba ngo emirimo yona eyine kuwa omukwezi ku 10/2011 ahabwo kuba banka yensi yona neza okurekeraho kuhereza USMID sente eberashatu na 1 okwezi ku 12.
The extension has to be justified, but you know we have no time. We are running against time. Even if we wanted to extend, we don't have time. We have December as the project is ending in December. So whatever we do, we have to work backwards.
Maybe the engineer and the city team will tell us. We had, and the consultant, we got reports as the ministry of some grievances that were not yet handled.
Joseph Nsimbe, consultant wa project, yaraganso kongera mani okureba ngo emirimo yaho.
So physical progress, where we stand right now, originally we are 93%. At its scope, we are only at 10%. Financial progress is 75%. Payment to date is 14.7 billion out of the 26.
Kirabango program negenda neheregera tukunira kuba nekanga mu December baitu tweka Hoima City tukinyomerizamu habo kuba turozere nizikonyera okuhindura kisani kya Hoima City kandi kinokunira ngo namataro ugagenda kutekevwamu kisani kya Hoima City nikigenda kuongera kuhinduka.
Project ezo nizikorwa harimo enguuto kandi zishemereye kuzaho ebitara gashakwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.